Amaji Samatun Tain, Radio Voice of Synth London.
This is Dr. Terry Jackson. Please tune in. Yazir Kazi. Please listen to this show. This is a very informative show and it will change your life.
Use your eyes as your feet and go to him. Oh, go to him. Do not speak about the beloved to anyone. Hide him from everyone and take him home in secret. Do not reveal to anyone the pain caused by your beloved Mehar. Says Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, the greatest poet of Sindh, in his chapter Sur Suhni, and this is why number 5 of Sur Suhni, the melody of Suhni. Akhyun pe rakare vanyje wo vanyje. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Almighty Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent, the creator of all the universes, the creator of humans, the creator of all the beings of all the universes, including our tiny galaxy. You are listening to Radio Voice of Synth London, and this is Indus Melodies, the weekly English radio show of Radio Voice of Synth London, being webcasted every Saturday from Radio Voice of Synth London. And this is me, Yasir Qazi, the host and the compiler and the designer and the executive producer of this show, saying your Salaam Alaikum, Haq Majood, Sach Majood, Sat Majood, Barhaq Majood, Sindh Majood, Sada Majood. Namaste, Namaskar, Namaskaram, Sat Sri Akal, Mujrosa, and welcome to the show. Please match your watches with our studio's clock. In Pakistan, this is 3:04 p.m. In Washington, D.C., New York City, Toronto, and around as per Eastern Time or UTC-5 or GMT-4. This is 6:04 a.m. in the morning. This is 11:04 a.m. at United Kingdom. This is 3:34 p.m. at India. And this is 2:04 p.m. at United Arab Emirates. Hi folks, how are you? I hope you are doing good, and we pray for your weekend to go fantastic. And I hope that you had a great week, a productive week with all your assignments done. And we pray for your prosperity, for your health, for the well-being of yourself and your families. This is Saturday, 15th of Ziqad, 1442. This is the second last month of the Hijra calendar, which is 11th month. And this is June, the 6th month of the Gregorian calendar. And this is 26th of June, 2021 and 13th of Ahad or Akhad, which is the 4th month of the Bakrami calendar, of the local calendar, or the Sambat calendar 2078. This is 13th of Ahad or Akhad. Starting our show with an advice by Ustad Muhammad Yusuf that Uthi or Allah si, O the seeker, please wake up and remember your beloved. Call your creator so that he may be merciful upon you. Here we go.
Uthi or Allah si, Uthi or Allah se ho chade ghafil ve uthi aur उठी और अल्लाह से उठे और अल्लाह से हो छड़े गाफिल वे उठी और जिक्र जो जिक्र जो खासो सब खाखे उठी और अल्लाह से उठी और अल्लाह से हो छड़े गाफिल वे उठी और आगे जे अंजाम में आगे जे अंजाम में उन्हें फाज़ल पे उठी और अल्लाह से उठी और अल्लाह से ओ छड़े गाफिल वे उठी आहे आँखों आवलो आहे आँखों आवलो बेड़ी चारों में उठी और अल्लाह से उठी और अल्लाह से ओ छड़े गाफिल वे उठी और अल्लाह से उठी और अल्लाह से ओ छड़े गाफिल वे उठी और अल्लाह से उठी और
Uthi or Alahsi. We were listening to the voice of Ustad Muhammad Yusuf, and we started with this beautiful hymn. In fact, this was a prayer, this was a munajat written by Mirza Qalich Beg, and we started with this hymn that, "Oh, the seeker, please wake up and remember your creator." Heading towards the next song, which is a folk song sung by Gigi Zarina Baloch, and she is praying for her dear one, in fact the dear one of the family, of the home, of the house, to come with peace. Let's listen to this folk song.
Mala,
Tokhe Allah Anindo, I'm praying for God that may He bring you home back with peace. This was a folk song for the apple of the family's eye to come home back with peace. You are listening to Radio Voice of Sindh London, and this is Indus Melodies. And in fact, as I have already shared with you, that we have folk songs on every sort of event of the life, and every life event carries an emotion, whether it is a joyful event or a sorrowful event, and we have folk songs on every event which we face in our life. We would be including in our today's show the voices of Manzoor Sakhirani, Shabana Kausar, Tamir Hussain, Wahid Ali, Zulfiqar Ali, Ghulam Rasool Nawab Shahi, Ustad Gulzar Ali Khan, Raja Mudassir Halipoto, Barkat Ali Bhatt, Shazia, Imam Bakhsh, Mazhar Hussain, and Gigi Abida Parveen. Heading towards the voice of Manzoor Sakhirani, and this is one of the popular songs sung by Manzoor Sakhirani, in which he is addressing his beloved, his cherished one, that whether you accept my request or not, but this is my foremost duty, this is my foremost priority, to request you, to grace your love, to grace your time, to grace your attention to the poor me. That depends upon you, that whether you accept it, whether you approve it or otherwise. Here we go.
तू मनी मनी न मेहरबान मातमिंत तो करे चरिया तू मनी मनी न मेहरबान मातमिंत तो करे चरिया तू मनी मनी न मेहरबान मातमिंत तो करे चरिया सतो ढकी हिक तू अगे या हसी जो नफीस वे सतो ढकी ट्यूं वरी टिली तो नाज़सा मातमिंत तो करे छॾिया ट्यूं वरी टिली तो नाज़सा मातमिंत तो करे छॾिया तू मनी मनी न मेहरबान मातमिंत तो करे छॾिया जेछ जीत गैर सान घुम हिक तमो कछ जिन चा चयूं जेछ जीत गैर सान घुम जे घुमी त घुम न मूं अॻियां मातमिंत तो करे छॾिया जे घुमी त घुम न मूं अॻियां मातमिंत तो करे छॾिया तू मनी मनी न मेहरबान मातमिंत तो करे छॾिया दिल न लाइजे तपो निभाइजे जे निभाइजे तथी जवान मात मिंत तो करे छॾियां जे निभाइजे तथी जवान मात मिंत तो करे छॾियां तूं मञी मञी न महिरबान मात मिंत तो करे बस अजीब ऐं गरीब मात मिंत तो करे छॾियां बस अजीब ऐं गरीब मात मिंत तो करे छॾियां तूं मञी मञी न महिरबान मात मिंत तो करे छॾियां तूं मञी मञी न महिरबान मात मिंत तो करे छॾियां हाय मात मिंत तो करे छॾियां हो मात मिंत तो करे छॾियां
तू मनी मनी न मेहरबान मात मिंत तो करे छॾियां. We were listening to this song in the voice of Manzoor Sakhirani, and the lyrics were written by Ustad Bukhari. You are listening to Radio Voice of Sindh London, and this is Indus Melodies. Let's ask Shabana Kausar that who has left his home in the sunshine and it is a hot day and he is carrying undurable colors along with him. Maybe the colors of emotions, maybe the colors of his personality or the lack of sincerity, whatever. But he has left his doorsteps with non-durable colors in the hot sunshine. Let's listen to this melody. I hope that you would like this song.
तेरे
हेॾी तिखी उस में कच्चन रंगन सां छा लाइ तो निकिते पिरी. We were listening to the voice of Shabana Kausar. You are listening to Radio Voice of Sindh London, and this is Indus Melodies, the weekly English radio show being webcasted by Radio Voice of Sindh London. And this is for the 43rd time that we are meeting in this show. This is the season number 1, edition number 43 of Indus Melodies of Radio Voice of Sindh London. This is 26th of June, and this day is being commemorated throughout the world, throughout the globe, as International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. And the same day is endorsed as United Nations International Day in support of victims of torture. This is the 11th death anniversary of one of the popular contemporary poets of Sindhi language, Ahmad Khan Madhosh, who was popular for his flair of writing poetry. He was a poet of ghazal genre, but he wrote almost all the genres, but especially he was a ghazal poet, the poet of a ghazal. And let's listen to his beautiful ghazal sung by Tamir Hussain as a homage to him on his 11th death anniversary. This is Ahmad Khan Madhosh, sung by Tamir Hussain. Here we go.
सामो सजन हुजे नजर में नजर हुजे सामो सजन हुजे नजर में नजर हुजे पंहिंजी ख़बर हुजे न के पंहिंजी ख़बर हुजे न के ॿिए जी ख़बर हुजे सामो सजन हुजे नजर में नजर हुजे पंहिंजी ख़बर हुजे न के पंहिंजी ख़बर हुजे न के ॿिए जी ख़बर हुजे साम्हूं सजन हुजे नज़र में नज़र हुजे नज़र में नज़र हुजे चाहाई हो न तो तको जन्नत में घर हुजे ओ चाहाई हो न तो तको जन्नत में घर हुजे दिलबर जो दर हुजे दिलबर जो दर हुजे संदस दर ते सिर हुजे साम्हूं सजन हुजे नज़र में नज़र हुजे साम्हूं सजन हुजे नज़र में नज़र हुजे नज़र में नज़र हुजे बेशक डिजे उन्हीं के सीनों से धो करे ओ बेशक डिजे उन्हीं के सीनों से धो करे जह जे अखियुनि जे तीर में जह जे अखियुनि जे तीर में कोई असर हुजे साम्हूं सजन हुजे नज़र में नज़र हुजे साम्हूं सजन हुजे नज़र में नज़र हुजे नज़र में नज़र हुजे ख़ामोश थी वञा अहिड़ो मज़ो हुजे त अहिड़ो मज़ो हुजे त मज़ो उम्र भर हुजे साम्हूं सॼण हुजे नज़र में नज़र हुजे पंहिंजी ख़बर हुजे न के पंहिंजी ख़बर हुजे न के ॿिए जी ख़बर हुजे साम्हूं सॼण हुजे नज़र में नज़र हुजे नज़र में नज़र हुजे ला 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 ला
This is my desire that my beloved should be in front of me and my sight should meet his sight or her sight, and there should be a complete sight by the interaction of the sight, by the interaction of the scene, by the interaction of what we see, and may we see each other, nobody else. This was the beautiful lyrical arrangement by Ahmad Khan Madhosh, sung by Tamir Hussain, and this is, as I told you, as I shared with you, that 11th death anniversary of Ahmad Khan Madhosh. He left us in 2010 on June 26. We are paying him a tribute and praying that may the departed soul rest in peace. Ameen. You are listening to Radio Voice of Sindh London, and this is Indus Melodies, and Indus Melodies is being broadcasted from Radio Voice of Sindh London every Saturday, 3 p.m. as per Pakistan Standard Time. Wahid Ali, Ustad Wahid Ali Khan is famous for the Kafi Kalam singing, but he has sung some unconventional songs also, including the forthcoming song, which is written by Sheikh Ayaz. And the beautiful lyrics say, "Oh my dear, why don't you listen me? Please listen to me. I want to say you something. I want to share with you something." And that something is, in two inverted commas, that something is that whatever you talk is fragrance only. You talked fragrance, and that's all for what I wanted to say. Tunju Waat Gulab. Let's listen to Sheikh Ayaz by Wahid Ali.
गाल तबुद तू सांवरा गाल तबुद तू सांवरा उठ जई पोए जवाब तुझो बात भुला गाल तबुद तू सांवरा गाल तबुद तू सांवरा गाल तबुद तू सांवरा गाल तबुद तू सांवरा अखड़न विच में दिल वई अखड़न विच में दिल आई अखड़न विच में दिल वई अखड़न विच में पंहिंजो छाहे जनाब तुंहिंजो बात बुला गाल त ॿुध तूं सांवरा 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 लगता तू जो बात भुला, गाल तबुद तू सांवरा, गाल तबुद तू सांवरा, गाल तबुद तू सांवरा, गाल तबुद तू सांवरा। साहिब सूह जो, जे तू साहिब सूह जो, जे तू साहिब सूह जो, जे तू साहिब सूह जो, मुझो नीहु नवा जो बात बुला, गाल तबुद तू सांवरा, गाल तबुद तू सांवरा, गाल तबुद तू सांवरा, गाल तबुद तू सांवरा। ओ डिजे पोए जवान तू जो बात भुला, गाल तबुद तू सांवरा, गाल तबुद तू सांवरा, गाल तबुद तू सांवरा, गाल तबुद तू सांवरा।
गाल तबुधो सांवरा, डिजई पोए जवाब तुंजो वात गुलाब. Then replied to me, but first of all, this is requested to you to please listen to what I say, and what I say is, you are aroma, and whatever you talk, your word is a fragrance. This was the beautiful poetry by Sheikh Ayaz, sung by Wahid Ali, and both names are popular contemporary names. Wahid Ali is a popular contemporary singer from Gawaliar Gharana, from the family of Gawaliar, and Sheikh Ayaz was, of course, one of the leading modern poets of the 20th century. You're listening to Radio Voice of St. London, and this is Indus Melodies. And Indus Melodies album of today, which is album number 43 of season number 1, is going to air the voice of Zulfiqar Ali and other voice from Gawaliar Gharana, the son of Ustad Niaz Hussain, the nephew of Ustad Fida Hussain Khan, and of course the nephew of Ustad Manzoor Ali Khan. And he is singing Karunjhar Temur Nachetho. The peacock is dancing over Karunjhar, the mount. And this is a beautiful, a tremendous scene while you see during the monsoon's shower that a peacock, a beautiful, a pretty peacock is dancing over Karunjhar. Let's listen to this beautiful melody sung by Zulfiqar Ali.
Karunjhar te molate ko subh thiye ko motin waro meehu wase to subh thiye to Karunjhar te molate ko subh thiye to motin waro meehu wase to subh thiye to Karunjhar te mol nache to jaan batyu ai balb uthana, jaan batyu ai balb uthana, akhiran ma ka gaudana, akhiran कांग उडाना, मारी वण ते दाम विझे थो सुबुह थिए थो Karunjhar te mol nache थो
यारो आहे को ॾिस केॾो प्यारो आहे ॼण त सुबुह जो तारो आहे ॼण त सुबुह जो तारो आहे सर ते जेको हंझ लहे थो सुबुह थिए थो कारूं झरके मोर नचे थो कंहिं चेहरे मां चंद खिड़े थो कंहिं चेहरे मां चंद खिड़े थो को सुडको सद लगे थो को सुडको सद लगे थो अख मां जेको लुढ़क वहे थो सुबुह थिए थो सुबुह थिए थो सुबुह थिए थो कारूं झरके मोर नचे थो सुबुह थिए थो मोतिन वारो मींहुं वसे थो सुबुह थिए थो कारूं झरके मोर नचे थो
Karun Jharate More Nache Tho. This was Zulfikar Ali singing this beautiful, this tremendous, mesmerizing song which we included in Indus Melodies, which is the English radio show of Radio Voice of Sin London. And the mandate of the show is to air the aroma of Indus Valley civilization. May it be the modern most fragrance or the classical most, the old and ancient most, but it should belong to this land, and whatever we air is Indus. These are the melodies of Indus, and one of these melodies is sung by Ghulam Rasool Nawab Shahi, a classic voice from Nawab Shah. Of course, his name indicates that he was from Nawab Shah, nowadays called Shahid Benazirabad SBA, and he is singing the poetry of Parsuram Zia. Tu yaad karin ya na karin yaad karin tho. This is me who remembers you whether you remember me back or not. Let's listen to this beautiful classics.
याद करिया न करिया थो आए याद करिया थो तू याद करिया न करिया थो आए याद करिया थो रंग जर्द अखियूं आलियूं अथम आल बंदे रंग जर्द अखियूं आलियूं अथम आल बंदे तोला जवानी पांजी मां बर्बाद करिया थो हाय याद करिया थो तू याद करिया न करिया थो हाय याद करिया थो मां रोज अकेलाई में आंसू वहाया मां रोज अकेलाई में आंसू वहाया बस इश्क दी दुनिया ये आबाद करिया थो हाय याद करिया थो तू याद करिया न करिया थो हाय याद करिया थो ढुके सो दर्द ढुके सो हथ तो के बदी यार मां फरियाद करियां थो हाय याद करियां थो तू याद करी या न करी याद करियां थो हाय याद करियां
तू याद करी या न करी याद करया थो हाय याद करया थो. A beautiful, a pretty melody sung by Ghulam Rasool Nawab Shahi, late. May his soul rest in peace. And he was singing the lyrics of Parsam Zia. And beautiful lyrics, and these lyrics were re-recorded by Radio Pakistan Hyderabad in the voice of Ghafoor Gul, with a small, a tiny intellectual dishonesty. And you know, dishonesty is always a great crime. Whether it is a tiny, it's a one word dishonesty, or a complete text dishonesty, that was made, sung by Ghafoor Gul as Matokhe Budhaya Tho Bhala Dard Jo Qisso instead of Zia Dard Jo Qisso. And this is the tale of the 80s martial law, when it was banned to air the non-Muslim voices and non-Muslim lyrics and so-called martial law, and that was done in that era, and that is strictly condemned. Therefore, I don't air that pirated version, and I always air this original version, which indicates the name of the poet as he has written. So these are great tales, and I have a lot of such type of events to share with you, especially in the field of radio and television, and also on stage. Whatever happens, would be sharing with you sometimes if some suitable situation comes, and I'll definitely be sharing with you such type of events. You're listening to Radio Voice of Sin London, Radio VOS London, and this is Indus Melodies, and these are the lyrics written by Budal Faqir, sung by Ustad Gulzar Ali Khan. Muhib Muyaj Ghar Aayo.
मुझे घर आयो मुझे घर आयो ओ मेंदी मुँह चिलायो री भेनर मेंदी मुँह चिलायो री भेनर मुझे घर आयो मुझे घर आयो मेंदी मुँह चिलायो री भेनर मेंदी मुँह चिलायो री भेनर मुझे घर आयो मुझे घर आयो हार सिंगार सर तू करियो हार सिंगार सर तू करियो सुरही से जग छायोड़ी भेनर सुरही से जग छायोड़ी भेनर मोब मुझे घर आयो मोब मुझे घर आयो मेंदी मुँह चिलायोड़ी भेनर मेंदी मुँह चिलायोड़ी भेनर मोब मुझे घर आयो मोब मुझे घर आयो ॾिठे दुख दूर जो थियड़ा जंहिं ॾिठे दुख दूर जो थियड़ा सर तूं कमूं छो सजायोड़ी भेनर सर तूं कमूं छो सजायोड़ी भेनर मोब मुझे घर आयो मोहब मुंहिंजे घर आयो ओ मेहंदी मुंहुं अची लायो डी भेनर मेहंदी मुंहुं अची लायो डी भेनर मोहब मुंहिंजे घर आयो मोहब मुंहिंजे घर आयो अंगन बुधल जे ईद जो थियड़ी अंगन बुधल जे ईद जो थियड़ी प्रियन पाण पसायो री भेनर प्रियन पाण पसायो री भेनर मोहब मुंहिंजे घर आयो मोहब मुंहिंजे घर आयो ओ मेहंदी मुंहुं अची लायो री भेनर मेहंदी मुंहुं अची लायो री भेनर मोहब मुंहिंजे घर आयो मोहब मुंहिंजे घर आयो अंगन बुधल जे ईद जो थियड़ी अंगन बुधल जे ईद जो थियड़ी प्रियन पाण पसायो री भेनर प्रियन पाण पसायो री भेनर मोहब मुंहिंजे घर आयो मोहब मुंहिंजे घर आयो ओ मेहंदी मुंहुं अची लायो री भेनर मेहंदी मुंहुं अची लायो री भेनर मोहब मुंहिंजे घर आयो मोहब मुंहिंजे घर आयो
My dear, my beloved has come to the doorsteps of the poor me, and this is my honor. I am privileged to welcome my beloved on my doorsteps in my home. These were the lyrics written by Abdul Faqir, one of the prominent classical poets of the near past, who is buried, who is resting near Shikarpur. And Shikarpur is famous for pickle industry in Pakistan and some parts of the subcontinent also. This was sung by Ustad Gulzar Ali Khan, which we just webcasted in Indus Melodies from Radio Voice of Sindh, London. This is Raja Mudassir Halipoto, who is sharing that I'm feeling an aroma which comes from your side, which tells me that this has come from your side and I'm enjoying this aroma. Whatever I feel around me, that is dipped in that fragrance. Here we go.
तुझे पाड़े मायल लगी तुझी खुशबू असा समायल लगी कंदी रखरी तू रस्मू सभई ओ कंदी रखरी तू रस्मू सभई कंदी रखरी तू रस्मू
हवा तुझे पाड़े मायन लगी, तुझी खुशबू सा समायन लगी। प्यार जज्बन जाडो झुकायन लगी, ये हवा तुझे पाड़े मायन लगी, तुझी खुशबू सा समायन लगी। छम जो छमको पिरी, ख्यालन में छम छम जो छमको पिरी, ख्यालन में छम छम जो छमको पिरी। प्यार पंजे जिता जड़ तपायन लगी, ये हवा तुझे पाड़े मायन लगी, तुझी खुशबू सा समायन लगी, तुझी खुशबू सा समायन लगी।
तुझी खुशबू असां समायल लगी, ये हवा तुझे पाड़े मायल लगी. That looks like that this wind, this breeze which is coming, that is coming from your side, from where you live, from your surroundings, where you are. You are listening to Radio Voice of Sindh London, and this is Indus Melodies being aired for 43rd time from Radio Voice of Sindh London. As we were paying a tribute to Ahmad Khan Madhosh on his 11th demise anniversary, and we aired one of his songs, and this is one of his popular ghazals sung by Barkat Ali, which is the identification of Ahmad Khan Madhosh. Let's air the song and pay him homage on his day of being departed. Jadeh ka aankh lagi to sa, tadeh ka aankh lagi na hai. Since when I'm in love with you, I have not slept well, because I'm always dreaming of you whenever I sleep or whenever I'm awake. Here we go.
जॾहिं खां अख लॻी तो सां, तॾहिं खां अख लॻी नाहे, जॾहिं खां अख लॻी तो सां, तॾहिं खां अख लॻी नाहे, जॾहिं खां चाक कई दिलि तो, तॾहिं खां चाक थी नाहे, जॾहिं खां अख लॻी तो सां, तॾहिं खां अख लॻी नाहे। चाक कई दिल तो तॾहिं खां चाक थी ना है जॾहिं खां अख लगी तो सां तॾहिं खां अख लगी ना है। कया गम दिल में ओ तारा थका तारा तके तारा कया गम दिल में ओ तारा थका तारा तके तारा सजन बेचैन दिल खे चैन हिकड़ो दम घड़ी ना है सजन बेचैन दिल खे चैन हिकड़ो दम घड़ी ना है जॾहिं
जॾहिं खां अख लगी तो सां तॾहिं खां अख लगी नाहे. This was the poetry of Ahmad Khan Madhosh sung by Barkat Ali Bhatt, which we aired as a homage to Ahmad Khan Madhosh on his death anniversary. In Indus Melodies from Radio Voice of Sindh London, we are going to include the voice of Shazia, and Shazia is remembering and missing and mentioning about a beautiful evening.
शाम असा दिनी कहीं प्यार दिनू रुत बदली है ना मिट्टी अजीब पर खुशबू अजबा सागियों रुत बदली है ना मिट्टी अजीब पर खुशबू अजबा सागियों धरती अजी है कहीं सरड़िया धरती अजी है कहीं सरड़िया गुलजहरो महकार दिनो शाम असांखे तुंहिंजी जानी याद दिनी कहीं प्यार दिनो शाम असांखे तुंहिंजी जानी याद दिनी कहीं प्यार दिनो नेणन में तुंहिंजो सपनो नेणन में तुंहिंजो सपनो सूह भरो संसार दिनो शाम असांखे तुंहिंजी जानी याद दिनी कहीं प्यार दिनो शाम असांखे तुंहिंजी जानी याद दिनी कहीं प्यार दिनो
This is a tremendous evening, and during this evening, I'm missing that evening which gave me your companionship and your affection, and I'm missing that evening in this pretty evening. This was Shazia singing this beautiful poetry, these beautiful lyrics which we just aired in Radio Voice of St. London's Indus Melodies. And this is edition number 43 of season number 1 of Indus Melodies. If you are happening to listen this show for the very first time, if it is your debut, let me share with you that this is an English radio show which airs every Saturday 3 p.m. as per Pakistan Standard Time from Radio Voice of St. London, the live streaming of Radio Voice of St. London, and my Facebook page, facebook.com/DJ Yasir Qazi, and from my YouTube channel Yasir Qazi YSIRQAZI. This is Mazhar Hussain along with the chorus singing the poetry of Sheikh Ayaz, which appreciates Sindhi language and the people of Sindh, and especially the beauty of the Sindhi language, and which says that Munji Chhati Choli Woe. I'm feeling like there's a lot of tides within myself which all are praising my language, which is Sindhi language. Let's listen to this melody.
पंहिंजी ॿोलीअ में मियां हो भली जॾहिं चवंदे मां तोखे अहिड़ो सां ॾींदी ॿी ॿोली किथे वो जेका ॿोली थञ सां तुंहिंजे पेट पई जेका ॿोली थञ सां तुंहिंजे पेट पई सा तो कीअं कई अॼुकल्ह आहे ओपरी मुंहिंजी छाती छोली वो मुंहिंजी छाती छोली वो लोली वो लोली वो लोली वो लोली बोली काबुल जहड़ी अहड़ी बोली का अहड़ी बोली काबुल जहड़ी पहजी सिंधी बोली वो पहजी सिंधी बोली वो लालण मुहे जालोली लोली लालण मुहे जालोली लोली लालण मुहे जालोली लोली लालण मुहे जालोली लोली सिंधड़ीअ जहड़ी सीध लके थे सिंधड़ीअ जहड़ी वो सिंधड़ीअ जहड़ी सीध लके थे तुझी धरती ढोली वो तुझी धरती ढोली वो लालण मुहे जालोली लालण मुहे जालोली लोली लालण मुहे जालोली लोली लालण मुहे जालोली लोली जह में भिट धड़िय जो वासो जह में भिट धड़ी जह में भिट धड़िय जो वासो आऊं उन्हैया जी गोली वो आऊं उन्हैया जी गोली वो लालण मुहे जालोली लोली लालण मुहे जालोली लोली लालण मुहे जालोली लोली लालण मुहे जालोली लोली लोली वो बोली वो लोली वो बोली वो लालण मुहे जालोली लोली 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 लालण मुहे जालोली लोली
This is Dr. Terry Jackson, and you're listening to Yazir Kazi. Please listen to this show. This is a very informative show, and it will change your life.
Alright friends, this is the time to wrap up the show and say you goodbye, say you alvida, say you Allah wahi. But if you are boarding for the very first time in this ship, which is called Indus Melodies, if you are voyaging with us in these tides of Radio Voice of Sin London for the very first time, we welcome you on board, and we want to share with you that this voyage, this flight is scheduled every Saturday 3 p.m. as per Pakistan Standard Time, and originally this is a 90 minutes voyage, a 90 minutes flight, and during this flight you enjoy the music of Indus, the melodies of Indus, the music of Sindh and Sindhi language. Sometimes we include some Saraiki songs also, some Balochi songs also, but basically this playlist contains Sindhi songs. And the last song of today's playlist is a poetry by Inayat Baloch, sung by Abida Parveen. Haqiqat Dil ji, Dhadkan ji, agar chahiye to cha chahiye. If we want to explain if we are desiring to explain whatever are within size, that is very much difficult to contain it into the container of the words. Because whatever within size, whatever you desire to proceed for in your life, that is unable to be explained in words. This is a pretty presentation, which would be the last presentation production of the show. And before I say you goodbye, let me request you, like always, that if you want to extend your feedback regarding the show, regarding Indus Melodies, or regarding Suraj Shahun Ka New SSK, which airs twice a week on Tuesday and Friday, 10 in the morning as per Pakistan Standard Time, you can do so. Please do so. We would request you to do so. My email is djyasirkazi@yahoo.com, djyasirqazi, or info@radiovoiceofsin.com. If you want to follow us on Facebook, our Facebook is facebook.com/Radio Voice of Sindh or /DJ Yasir Qazi, DJYSIRQAZI. Our Twitter is @RJ Yasir Qazi. Our YouTube channel is Yasir Qazi, YSIRQAZI, from where you are right now listening the alternate broadcast of this show, Indus Melodies. And if you want to write its address directly in the address bar, that would be youtube.com/FMWQY. Please press the bell icon and select the option of all the notifications if you want to be aware of whatever we air, whatever we broadcast live, or whatever we upload as videos and audios regarding Sindh and the Indus Valley civilization. So friends, I would be meeting you inshallah Aziz after the gap of 2 days. That would be Tuesday, 29th of June. That would be the last broadcast of the month of June. And that would be Suraj Shahun Ka New, 10 in the morning as per Pakistan Standard Time. Till then, this is me, your host and friend Yasir Qazi, signing off from Radio Voice of Sindh, London, from Indus Melodies, saying you aloha, take care, goodbye, Allah Hafiz, tata and bye-bye, over and out.
तालिब मौला सा कयाऊं भलाई जा भेर अवेर ऐं सवेर अवेर ऐं सवेर मत कदमन तां कुर्बान थियां भोला भोला मियां हकीकत दिल जी दिल बरखे हकीकत दिल जी दिल बरखे अगर चैजे तकियां चैजे सरासर सुहसाहूं सर बसर चैजे तकियां चैजे हकीकत दिल जी दिल बरखे अगर चैजे तकियां चैजे हकीकत दिल जी दिल बरखे चैजे तकियां चैजे सरासर बेवफा हुनके मगर चैजे तकियां चैजे हकीकत दिल जी दिल बरखे मसीहा आखिरी हिदकियत आखिर वियो वची मुंहिंजो मसीहा आखिरी हिदकियत मसीहा मसीहा निरसार निद
मथां छा लिखी छा लिखां छा लिखी छा लिखां ओ सिंध मुंहिंजी अम्मा
दुनिया जा सिंधियो हिक मुठ थी सिंध बचायो
सिंध मुंहिंजी अम्मा सूंह तुंहिंजी मथां छा लिखां
सिंध जो क़ौमी आवाज़ रेडियो वॉइस ऑफ सिंध लंडन। रेडियो वॉइस ऑफ सिंध लंडन पंहिंजी नशरियात में सिंध जी सियासत, समाज, इक़्तिसादियात, तारीख़, क़ौमी उमंगुनि ऐं अख़लाक़ियात मुतलिक़ सिंध जी हक़ीक़ी तर्जुमानी कंदे प्रोग्रामनि खे असराइतो बणाइण लाइ सिंध जे घण घुरनि ऐं धरतीअ सां प्यार कंदड़ अदीबनि, दानिशवरनि, सहाफ़ियुनि, उस्तादनि, वकीलनि ऐं हर तबिके जे मान वारनि सजणनि खे सिंध में शऊरी इनकलाब लाइ सहकार जो सॾु ॾियूं था। अचो त गॾिजी सूफ़ियुनि ऐं संतनि वारी सिंध जो ओज हिक मुठ थी वरी वापसि आणण वारे सफ़र जा साथारी बणिजऊं। हिक नए सुबुह जी शुरूआत जो पड़ाॾो घर घर, ॻोठ ॻोठ ऐं शहर शहर ताईं पहुचायो। शाल सिंध आबाद ऐं ख़ुशहाल थिए, सिंधी माण्हू सुखियो ऐं सताबो थिए।